Hello, welcome to PingSMS. Welcome to another tutorial of PingSMS. Today we are going to talk about Bulk SMS feature. For that, type in pingsms.in in your browser. If you don't have an account in PingSMS, click on the sign up button. Else, if you have an account, please click on the login button. Now over here, type in your username and your password, and then click on the login button. You will be redirected to the dashboard of PingSMS. Next, to talk about the Bulk SMS feature, please click on the Bulk SMS button on the left hand side of the tab. Over here, select the SMS type as transactional or promotional, then select the sender ID of your choice. After that, select the file type, either group or notepad or CSV. I'm going to select notepad and then click on the choose file to select your file which contains the contacts. Now over here you can see the total number of contacts available in that notepad file that you have uploaded, and then you can select the language in which you want to write the SMS. Else you can either write it directly in English. Now type your message over here. This is a test message for Bulk SMS using txt file. Okay, seems there's a red mark. Let's check it. Okay, SMS. Now you can either schedule it or click on the send now button to send the message at that time. Check the details such as the SMS type, the file type, the total numbers, the message length, the SMS count, and the SMS language, and also the total debit, that is the deduction of SMS from your account. After confirming, click on the send button. Once you click on send, your messages will be delivered to the contacts provided in the notepad file. To know more about the file formats, please click on the link in the description below. Next, you can click on the logout button to sign out of the panel. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial. See you next time on the next tutorial of PingSMS.